Former manager at the National Commercial Bank, Andrea Gordon, has pleaded guilty to stealing $111 million from the bank over 3 years. In court today, Ms. Gordon pleaded guilty to 13 charges of fraudulent activities brought against her by the prosecution. Kirk Wright has the details.
The indictment, on which Ms. Gordon faced 13 charges, stated that she stole $35 million from the National Commercial Bank, where she was a senior manager. But in court today, she admitted to carrying out 282 fraudulent activities amounting to $111 million from 2017 to 2020. It was also said in court today that Ms. Gordon was given a password which allowed her to carry out several sensitive transactions on her own. She admitted to using the bank's system to transfer millions of dollars to her personal account to purchase a house, refurbish another, buy clothing and handbags. Prosecutors said Ms. Gordon had transferred $24 million to a construction company for the refurbishing of her house and to pay workmen. She also admitted to transferring millions to her son's NCB account and also to accounts of relatives, customers, and also to that of her spouse. Ms. Gordon also admitted to stealing money to buy tickets for Gibson relays. It also came out in court that when the bank discovered the irregularities and approached Ms. Gordon, she confessed, saying she was using the money to help a family member who was ill. On the day she was approached, it said Ms. Gordon started crying and told investigators it was really bad. Ms. Gordon, who is 53 years old, was employed to the bank for 30 years and was earning $11 million a year at the time of her arrest. Presiding Judge Lorna Shirley Williams declined Ms. Gordon's attorney's plea for bail. The judge is awaiting a social inquiry report before her sentencing, which is scheduled for May 31st. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.